It was with the 6T that OnePlus announced its partnership with McLaren to further emphasize its commitment to speed. As a result, we had a bolder design, faster charging, and bigger numbers in terms of RAM and storage. It's not a lot different with the 70 Pro, with the exception that the design actually blew our minds when we saw it for the first time. And I'm sure after having seen that intro, it blew yours too. Let's talk a bit more about one of the coolest looking phones in recent times, the OnePlus 70 Pro McLaren edition. And yeah, that was a mouthful. The 70 Pro is essentially the 7 Pro from 4 months ago that underwent a bypass surgery and is now repackaged with a heart that beats ever so slightly faster. And that's pretty much it. No, like seriously, the Snapdragon 855 Plus is the only new hardware addition, accompanied by faster warp charge 30T of course, and every other new thing that OnePlus is marketing is basically software that eventually will be rolled out to previous iterations as well. The same smooth 90Hz display, the same 4085 mAh battery, the same triple camera setup, and the same pop-up camera. The only physical difference is that the laser autofocus sensor has moved from within the camera module to outside of it. The Warp Charge 30T, however, is a fantastic upgrade. We compared it to the 7 Pro and you can watch the video in the link that's popping up now to find out how much of a difference it actually makes. Anyhow, coming back to this McLaren version, the design on the rear reflects light in a beautiful way. Some other elements that have changed are at the bottom where we have an orange accent with the McLaren branding and the alert slider is also orange. The software also has some elements that are customized for this edition. And of course, there's now 12GB of RAM. The 70 Pro runs on Android 10 out of the box. The cameras on the rear are a primary 48MP sensor accompanied by a telephoto and wide-angle lens combo with the addition of a new macro mode. The OnePlus 70 Pro is an iterative upgrade. Of course, the McLaren edition gives it a special touch, but it surely doesn't warrant an upgrade if you have the OnePlus 7 Pro. Credit where due, OnePlus has done a great job with how the McLaren edition looks. Mind you, it's not going to be cheap however. We are not aware of the exact pricing at the time of shooting this video, but we are expecting the OnePlus 70 Pro McLaren edition to be priced north of Rs 60,000 here in India, which undoubtedly is steep, but again, this one's for the enthusiasts. Let us know what you feel about the OnePlus 70 Pro in general and about the McLaren edition specifically in the comment section below. Make sure you hit the like button and stay subscribed for more such content. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you around.